sir, principal sir, vice principal sir, our non-teaching staff and teaching staff and all friends to this event of Sri Ramanavami.
So far, our college has conducted many events and activities such as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti, Babu Jagajeevan Rao Jayanti, French Day and World Water Day for the students' growth and development. Today we are here on the eve of the Sri Ramanavami to learn the management lessons for the today human beings must have to follow from the greatest epic of the Ramayana. Can we learn any lessons from the Ramayana? Yes. As we are the students which have belonged to the management course, let us learn some of the management principles from the Ramayana. Leadership, teamwork and coordination, collaboration, ethical leadership, strategic planning, communication, time management, adherence to dharma, respect for the relationships, compassion, forgiveness, and also value for the friendship and loyalty. Leadership. In the Ramayana, it was protagonized by the Rama. He have the essential leadership qualities. He leads the Vanara Sena for going to the against the war against the Ravana. So he have the qualities of the leadership, maintaining the calmness in the crisis, as well as taking the decisions in the crucial situations after careful consideration. While taking into the modern management, it is an essential trait, as well as coming to the teamwork and collaboration. He has alliance with assorted with the Lord Hanuman and Sugriva and Vanara Sena. Having an ascertainance mean the collaboration and there is a beautiful teamwork for demonstrate fighting against the Ravana. So in the modern management, it is a replica for having the collaboration and the teamwork. We will gain the fruitful success as well as it's a key success for the organization. As well as strategic planning. For the strategic planning, Rama has an intellectual person. So by the strategically, he has plans to demonstrate, vandalize the Ravana's kingdom and take the Sita to the Ayodhya after the fight. So by the strategic planning in the modern technology, the managers are analyzing the situations as well as forecasting the challenges in the present scenario. So the strategic planning is one of the plays a significant role in the management.
Conflict resolution. As you all know, Ramayana consists of many conflicts and how Rama has resolved those conflicts through dialogues. As the same, a manager should have a skill of conflict resolution, which the organization comes into conflicts and between the team members. Ethical leadership. Rama follows dharma even in his bad times. It shows that the importance of ethical leadership in management. A manager should have an ethical leadership and he should also consist of honesty, dignity and fairness. Time management. Even though Rama was living in the forest, he used all his precious time and made most of the resources. As the same, time management can help the organization to develop productivity and also make the organization's goals successful.
Resilience. Despite facing numerous challenges, Rama displays resilience and perseverance in his quest. Similarly, the managers should navigate through setbacks, learn from failures and maintain a positive outlook to overcome obstacles in their professional journey. And next, communication. Communication plays a pivotal role in Ramayana, whether it's conveying instructions to the army or maintaining dialogue with allies. Managers should prioritize clear and open communication to foster collaboration, prevent misunderstandings, and build trust with their teams. And next, adherence to Dharma. The central theme of Ramayana is the triumph of the Dharma over Adharma. Upholding principles of honesty, integrity, and justice in both personal and professional spheres is essential for creating a harmonious society.
Respect for relationships. The Ramayana highlights the significance of familial and social relationships. Rama's devotion to his parents, his love and respect for Sita, and his loyalty to his brothers shows the importance of honoring and nurturing relationships in today's fast-paced world. Cultivating strong bonds with family, friends, and colleagues contributes to emotional well-being and social cohesion. courage and perseverance. The characters in Ramayana display immense courage and perseverance in the face of adversity. Rama's exile, Sita's captivity, and the challenges faced by the Hanuman and the Vanara army underscore the importance of resilience and determination in overcoming obstacles. In today's competitive environment, the ability to face challenges with courage, persistence is essential for both personal and professional growth. Forgiveness and compassion. Rama forgives Kaikeyi and he shows compassion towards his enemies, including Ravana. In today's world, practicing forgiveness and empathy promotes healing, reconciliation, and building the stronger relationships. Value of friendship and loyalty. The friendship between Rama and Lakshman and the loyalty of Hanuman and the Vanara army exemplifies the value of friendship and loyalty. In contemporary society, nurturing genuine friendships and fostering loyalty in personal and professional relationships strengthens bonds and creates a support network. Overall, the Ramayana is a treasure trove of moral lessons with values and principles. By habitating those morals and incorporating them into our lives, we can create a ethical world. Thank you.
Thank you for listening these words, and we all promise in front of our beloved faculty that we will follow all the rules and regulations assigned by college which are for our development. Jai Hind. Please stand for national anthem.